This NSK ESA-Y3040T23 is one of the many megatorque variants ERD repairs built by NSK. This particular unit came from the EU in parts, which we encountered from time to time. We have a robust stock of parts, and we were able to find the missing parts and rebuild the remaining sub-assemblies. As shown in the video, we tested this NSK with our custom-designed interface and attached it to one of our many NSK motors. ERD has been repairing the family of NSK drivers since the late 90s and has repaired thousands of these drivers over the decades. At this point, we are now seeing drivers return for another repair after being out in the field for over 10 years since the initial repair, which we take as a clear proof statement to the level of quality we have maintained over the years. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.